That's the esophagus.
That's the trachea, which
Trachea?
is above.
Okay.
So that is the trachea.
Trachea.
And okay, trachea. Okay, goes to the left lungs. There's the left lung.
Oh.
2 lobes. Right lung, 3 lobes. Thoracic cavity, the ribs. Below the trachea is the esophagus. Okay, below is the esophagus. It's much thinner, so you can look at it yourselves. So left lung, right lung. This is the heart. Okay. The esophagus goes below the heart, as does the aorta. The aorta goes below. This is the diaphragm that separates the thoracic cavity from the abdominal cavity. You can see the esophagus and the aorta going
That's
through.
the thin
Yes.
tube. Okay.
Going through the
Diaphragm.
diaphragm. Can you see that? Come this side there.
Yeah.
Right. Goes through the diaphragm, and all of this is the liver. Okay. All of this is the liver. This is the stomach. So the esophagus joins the stomach.
Okay.
Like that.
Have some more.
Yeah, good.
Thank you, Maria.
Okay. So liver, stomach. Okay. The stomach leads to a duodenum, a small U-shaped, which is where you have the pancreas. This is the pancreas. Okay. The pancreas opens there in the duodenum. To the left of the stomach is a spleen. This is a spleen. Okay. And that is the liver. The small intestine starts with the duodenum, ileum, jejunum, and ileum. It is all connected by connective tissue, which is highly vascularized.
What is that little like clear, transparent
That's
membrane?
the mesentery. That's called the mesentery, the connective tissue, which aligns all of the long tube from kinking and bending and all that. So it keeps it all aligned. And right now I'm separating it, and there's lots of blood vessels. Okay, that's how long your
This is
intestine.
intestine.
Yeah,
Small or large?
that's small.
Oh.
And now starts the large.
The thick ones are the large intestine.
Yeah.
Which one is the thick one? Like I cannot.
So this is the cecum. This is the beginning of the large intestine, the cecum, and then it goes into.
This is the mesentery too.
Yes, all of this is mesentery.
Mesentery.
Okay.
So can you tell what, if you open the intestines, can you tell what was his last name probably?
Yeah. So it goes into the ascending colon, transverse colon, descending colon, descending colon. Okay. And that is the cecum. That's the first part of the large intestine. And all this is small intestine stuff. Goes into the rectum. Okay. This is the urinary bladder. Kidney. That's a kidney. The adrenal is on top. That small thing is the adrenal. There's the ureter, thin one, goes to the urinary bladder. Okay.
What's this?
That's the descending colon.
Oh, okay.
And then you can open this scrotum, The testes will be inside, and the vas deferens. This is the penis. Okay, right there. So open that and look at this is the seminal vesicle. So open that and maybe I'll come back.
Thank you. You haven't touched anything, right? Okay. So, oh no, but you haven't touched any of the, okay. So, you can,
She was
can
all
you
up on
put
that
some more,
poop, and that was gross. You saw